carrying your purse? Oh, yes, you're a big girl. Oh, yeah, that's a good girl. Putting it down? That's good. What's in your purse? Show me. Oh, yeah, she's a big girl. Oh, she's a big girl. Oh, she's a big girl. Hi, little girl. Hi, little girl. You gonna look at the snow? Gonna go to carry your purse? Look at that snow. Look at all that snow. What do you think? It's snowy. It's snowy snow. Oh! What's in your purse, Claire? What do you have? Your keys! I like your keys. Okay. Your secured debit card. Okay. Oh yes, let's put it away. I'm gonna lose your keys. Are you frustrated? A little help? There you go. You did it! You did it! Ready to carry it again? You're stepping. Minute, little girl. Okay, there's your purse. Put your arm in.